Tanzanite. It was found in 1967. Tanzanite is only discovered in northern Tanzania, near the foothills of Mount Kilimanjaro, as its name suggests. After Tiffany and Company began incorporating the stone in their jewelry, Tanzanite became popular. This sapphire has a rich blue-violet tint that sets it apart from the others. While $1,200 may not appear to be a large sum, the market expects it to increase in the next 20-25 years. The scarcity of Tanzanite is the fundamental reason for this. Black opal. Black opals are considered to be the most expensive opals in the world. Among them, the notable black opal, known as the Royal One, is the most valuable stone in the world. Weighing an impressive 306 carats, it is valued at $3 million US. Black opals mainly hail from the Lighting Ridge area of New South Wales, Australia. The largest known cut black opal, which weighs a staggering 819.50 carats, is owned by Medici Collection LLC, USA, as of 2020. Considering the gemstone's known price per carat, the opal has been valued at an estimated $8 million US. Black opals stand out thanks to their dark bodies, which emanate a range of colors. Red beryl. While red beryl has been discovered in Utah, New Mexico, and Mexico, only those mined in Utah's Wawa Mountains have gem quality. They come in a couple of distinct tones of a darker crimson that are all as captivating. This variation is one of the most unusual in the beryl family, including emeralds, making it number 3 on the list of trending gemstones in the world. As a result, collectors sometimes refer to red beryl as the red emerald. Red beryls, like emeralds, are prone to inclusions and fractures. The cost of this one-of-a-kind gem might approach $10,000 per carat, but only if you can find one for sale. Muscovite. Muscovite is another gem that was discovered in 1967 in Australia. It gets its name from the Musgrave region where it was found. Only 8 gem-quality muscovite stones were found in 2005. That demonstrates how uncommon it is, making it number 4 on the list of trending gemstones in the world. Colors range from a translucent olive green to a grayish purple in the handful discovered. It's challenging to set a price on this gemstone because of its extreme rarity. However, experts estimate it to be worth around $35,000 per carat. Alexandrite. Alexandrite is a rare color-changing stone. This makes alexandrite not only stunningly attractive, but also extremely precious. Though they were discovered in 1833 in Russia, they have also been mined in Sri Lanka, Tanzania, and India. Surprisingly, they are nearly always found in carat sizes less than 1. As a result, the price value of a larger stone increases exponentially. For example, a single carat can cost $15,000, but a larger stone can cost up to $70,000 per carat. The Smithsonian Institute possesses the world's largest faceted alexandrite, a cushion-cut stone weighing 65.08 carats valued at more than $4 million. Emeralds. Emeralds, recognized for their distinctive green tones, are among the most popular trending gemstones in the world. Brazil, Colombia, Zimbabwe, and Zambia are the 4 powerful nations where they may be found. Unfortunately, the majority of emeralds available on the market have minor flaws. As a result, in the rare event that a flawless natural emerald becomes available for purchase, it can command exorbitant prices. Experts predicted the renowned Rockefeller emerald would smash records when Christie's revealed it would be auctioned off. John D. Rockefeller bought the 18.04 carat rock for his wife. It was afterwards passed down to their son and subsequently privately sold. At the Christie's auction, it sold for $5.5 million, or $305,000 per carat. As a result, it was the most valuable emerald per carat ever auctioned. Ruby. Rubies, sometimes known as the king of gemstones, come in various brilliant red colors and are among the most popular trending gemstones in the world. In addition, they come in a variety of colors from pink to a darker red. The blazing gem is a symbol of zeal for life and desire. This notion was passed down the ages by ancient societies who thought the color resembled blood. An exceptionally rare Burmese ruby was auctioned off for over $30 million in 2015 at a Sotheby's event in Geneva. The 26-carat stone, dubbed the Sunrise Ruby after a poem by Rumi, the famed 13th century poet, sold for $1.18 million per carat. That's an incredible sum, making it the most valuable ruby ever sold. diamonds. Pink diamonds are undoubtedly the rarest of all colored diamonds. These pink-colored gems account for less than 0.1% of the total annual production of diamonds worldwide. However, when the exquisite pink gemstones make it to auction, the price per carat often exceeds $1 million. In 2017, a magnificent pink diamond weighing 59.60 carats was sold for a record-breaking $71.2 million at a Sotheby's auction in Hong Kong. This works to $1.19 million per carat. It's known as the Pink Star Diamond since it's the largest fancy vivid pink diamond the Gemological Institute of America has ever graded as internally flawless. Jade. In the jade family, jadeite is the purest, rarest, and most vibrant gemstone. Though it comes in various colors, including red, yellow, and black, the stone's most well-known color is green. The imperial jade hue of semi-transparent emerald green is the most sought after in the world. In Chinese culture, jadeite has a special significance since it represents distinction and status. So everyone expected a jadeite necklace owned initially by American heiress Barbara Hutton to set the record for the most expensive piece of jadeite jewelry ever sold in 2014. That's precisely what the Hutton Midivani necklace, which is made up of 27 huge, high-quality jadeite beads, did. The piece sold for $27.44 million to Cartier, the original creator of the necklace, after 20 minutes of frenzied bidding from 8 possible purchasers. Blue diamond. You won't be able to find a blue diamond outside of an auction house. That's how rare this gemstone is. And when it does get slated for auction, scores of collectors and private buyers will swarm for a chance of adding it to their collection. There are only a few mines in the world that mine blue diamonds: Australia, India, and South Africa. The most expensive blue diamond so far is the Oppenheimer blue diamond, which was sold at a mind-blowing $57.5 million US. On the other hand, the most famous one is currently residing at the Smithsonian. The Hope diamond weighs 45.2 carats and has a price estimation of $250 million US. White diamond. White diamonds valued up to $15,000 per carat have symbolized love and commitment since 1477, when Archduke Maximilian of Austria commissioned the first diamond engagement ring. The most priceless white diamond, the Kohinoor, remains beyond valuation due to its historical significance and controversies. Originally from India and now part of the British Crown Jewels, the Kohinoor has faced ownership claims from India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan, which the British government has consistently denied, asserting its legal acquisition. Yellow diamonds. Yellow diamonds, though relatively common among colored diamonds, remain some of the world's most expensive gemstones, with the prized canary yellow hue fetching up to $16,000 per carat. The most expensive yellow diamond, the Graf Vivid Yellow, sold for $16.3 million for 100.09 carats, although it was initially estimated at $21 million US. Another notable yellow diamond is the Tiffany Yellow, one of the largest ever discovered, permanently displayed at Tiffany & Company in New York City. This diamond has been worn by only 4 women: Mary Whitehouse, Audrey Hepburn, Lady Gaga, and Beyoncé, the first Black woman to wear it. Serendipity, priced up to $18,000 per carat, is an exceptionally rare gemstone first discovered in Sri Lanka in 1902 and later found in Myanmar's Mogok area. Composed of calcium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, boron, and oxygen, serendipity is unique in its appearance, emitting colors ranging from deep blue and black to green, with Sri Lankan specimens also showing a striking violet blue hue. Remarkably rare, this gemstone has only been mined 3 times, with all known specimens measuring under a carat. Grandidierite, priced up to $20,000 per carat, is a rare and valuable gemstone originally discovered in southern Madagascar. Known for its unique ability to display a spectrum of colors, from bluish green and dark green to pale yellow, depending on the angle of view, it is a stunning but scarce material for jewelry. Despite its hardness making it suitable for use in jewelry, gem-quality specimens are rare, and synthetic versions have been created solely for research purposes, making jewelry made from this stone extremely difficult to find. Painted. It is up to $60,000 per carat. The most expensive non-diamond gemstone is the painite, and it's one that few have heard of. To say that this brick-toned bijou is rare is an understatement. Since its discovery in 1951, the next decade saw only 2 specimens. More recently, 2 mines were opened in Myanmar dedicated to painite, but it remains a rarity still, with only less than 100 gemstones. It's not only the rarest gemstone on Earth, it's also the rarest mineral.